Wagwan. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a twisted headband. Whether you're using scraps or purchasing a piece of fabric, you want to make sure it's stretchy. I'm using a piece of scrap from a dress I made, measuring 22 by 7 inches. To get started, fold the longer side in half, right sides facing each other, and pin in place. Now sew along the raw edge. Once that is done, turn it over to the right side. Once you've turned it over to the right side, place the seam in the center and press it flat. Now, bring the ends together with the center seam facing up. Use the top flap to sandwich only half of the bottom flap, then fold the other side over on top and pin in place. I know that step can be a bit confusing, so let's redo that from a different angle. Fold and bring the ends together with the center seam facing up. Slide the end of the top flap and stop when it's in the center like so. Then wrap it around, then fold the flap to the top and pin it in place. Take it over to your serger or sewing machine and sew the ends together. Then turn it over and this is what it should look like. Super easy and the perfect way to use up those scrap fabrics that you have. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial in the comment box below, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy sewing and stay safe.